Alright, so at this point, I'm just making sure I have everything that's supposed to come in the box. As you can see, they sent me in two separate bags. It's the same things. It's the tubing, two storage bottles that can also be used as a bottle itself. It came with the adapter, and here is the actual breast pump. I don't know why, but it was amazingly light. I didn't expect it to be that light, but I guess when you're thinking of something portable, it would just make sense for it to be lightweight. But so yeah, now I'm just attempting to like figure out how to assemble it. I'm one of those people that try to never look at the instructions. It's like as if everything is supposed to be self-explanatory to me. But yeah. So as you see, you just basically twist the pumping part onto the bottle. Like I said, you can store the milk in there as well as also feed from it. You connect the tubing to the back. That back piece is actually where the pumping action comes from. And then you connect the other piece of the tubing to the port that's on the top. That black part is where the adapter goes in when you need to charge it, or if you just want to sit plugged in like a vacuum cleaner or something. But yeah, so I turned it on because I just wanted to see like how this thing actually works. And crazy enough, like the suction on this, because I couldn't understand it at first. The suction was ridiculous. When I tell you the noises that was coming out of this little machine, I mean, don't get me wrong, it's very quiet. Just in case you ever had to breastfeed at night. Well, not just in case, but if you have to breastfeed at night, this thing is super quiet. Will not wake your baby up. Now, this comes with 4 buttons. One is your massage mode, which is supposed to mimic a baby that's actually breastfeeding. Then you have expression mode, which draws the milk out to the level that you want it to be, where it's not painful. Remember, this is not supposed to be painful. Keyword, not supposed to be painful, but at times it can be. Yeah, I was a little confused on like the suction because I was a little apprehensive when you think of something that's supposed to be portable, it's small. You wonder if the power that it has is going to be enough to do what it's supposed to do. So I was trying to test it out and I just didn't feel like no sucking sensation at all. Pause. But when I finally like put it to my face and yeah, at that point it worked. So but yeah, so now I'm just carefully taking this thing apart. The tubing is actually the most fragile of all pieces. I know a lot of people say they have to replace their tubing sometimes because sometimes they rip or get holes punctured in them. So because I'm not ready to actually pump yet, I just made sure I was securing everything back the proper way. So now I'm actually going to show you guys how and where I ordered my breast pump from. The company is called A Medical Supply. So this is what it looks like when you pick it up on Google. And you go to the actual website. And they sell more than just breast pumps, but your average person will go for your free breast pump. And what you basically do at this point is you choose whatever your healthcare coverage is. So you choose your insurance. After you choose your insurance, then you basically pick what model breast pump you prefer. Now I chose the Spectra because I just did my research, and it'll show you the different models. So, you guys, the breast pump that you see throughout the video is actually the Spectra S9. They also have the Spectra S1 and the Spectra S2, which those two are actually the same. It's just a different color. The reason why I basically chose to get the Spectra S9 over the breast pump that you hear a lot of people talk about, which is the Mandela, if I'm not mistaken, I chose to get the Spectra S9 because I work. So once she gets here, I will be a working mom. So I basically needed something that was gonna be super lightweight, something portable that I could take with me to work, pump, and just store them up. So I did a lot of research. I watched YouTube videos, I watched people's reviews on it. Of course, everybody's gonna have their differences with it, like whatever their pros and cons are. I just looked at what will work for me, which is basically, like I said, something that's lightweight, something that's portable, meaning that I can charge it versus having to sit by an actual outlet just to use it. And yeah, so don't forget to like, comment,